business. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, Your Excellency, Prime Minister. I give the floor to His Excellency Suhail Mohammed Al Mazrui, United Arab Emirates Minister of Energy and Infrastructure. Please, Your Excellency.
Я все слышал. Что плохо было видно, это видео.
Your Excellency Askar Mamin, the Prime Minister of the Republic of Kazakhstan, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure, Your Excellency, to welcome you and your delegation to the United Arab Emirates and to Expo. And I would like to thank you for your support to Expo and for a great pavilion that has been visited by many, and we received, I think, as you, many